Welcome to Gurus CSI. We are a team of expert technicians that investigates warranty claims. We handle everything from brake pads to spark plugs, determining whether claims are valid. Today's video is about brake pads, which the customer says are creating noise in use and are not providing good braking ability. Let's take a closer look. When we look at the pads, we can see that there is uneven wear to the left and the right of the same caliper. The uneven wear suggests that the brake pads were not installed correctly and that they were not moving freely in the brake saddle. The damage can also be caused by the caliper's brake piston not being able to move freely, causing the pads to stick to the disc and wear unevenly. Guru tips are expert tips on how to avoid these issues. Before installing the new brake pads, always inspect the caliper for wear and clean it thoroughly. This ensures that the new parts will not be contaminated by any existing dirt and that the braking performance is optimized. Ensure you use brake cleaner to remove dirt and help keep parts moving as they should. Ensure that the brake pad can move freely in the caliper and that the pistons are also moving smoothly. This will stop the problem from reoccurring through the pads not making even contact with the disc. To avoid damaging the caliper, always use the correct retracting tool. We have determined that incorrect fitting and inspection of components has caused the brake pads to come into uneven contact with the disc. Therefore, the warranty claim is invalid. Make sure you come back to Gurus CSI to see how we explain more warranty claims. We are Garage Gurus. Join our community, follow us on social media. Thanks for watching this video. The video description contains all the relevant links. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and be notified when we post new content. Also, check out our Garage Gurus online course catalog.